Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared this grilled Kasundi Prawns salad. This turned out so good. It was so nice, especially for the summer. It tasted excellent. I prepared everything in a very simple manner and I list out all the ingredients what I used in this recipe in the description box below this video. So I'll start with marinating the prawns first. I've cleaned the prawns thoroughly, washed it twice. Now to the prawns I'll be adding chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. We'll be adding ginger and garlic paste. I'm using a ready to use Kasundi sauce. This is like tomato ketchup. It's a condiment. It's used in kati rolls. It's served as a condiment for samosas. Otherwise this Kasundi sauce is very nice. If you cannot find Kasundi sauce, please use mustard powder and salt. I have not added salt in this recipe because this is already containing a lot of salt in it. So if needed you can add salt. Just taste test and then add salt. Maybe quarter teaspoon of salt, not more than that. So once you add the salt, mix everything together. Just cover it and allow it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, I wash some bamboo skewers. Now I'll skewer this prawns 4 pieces in one skewer and I'll reserve it. I've also heated up a pan on very low flame. So till the pan is heating well, I will skewer these prawns. You can also prep some ingredients for this salad. So I'll show you what are the ingredients that I prepped while the prawn was marinating. I prepared a bunch of salads that day. So I was prepping all the ingredients ahead of time. Now once you skewer all the prawns, the pan is still hot and I have cleaned some veggies and reserved. So I've peeled, washed and sliced onion and reserved. Sliced some chilies and reserved. Then I've cut some red, green and yellow capsicum and reserved. We need quarter of a lime. Here I've separated the lettuce leaves, washed it thoroughly and placed it in some ice water and reserved. Now the prawns were cooked at that time, so that's why I'm showing you the prawns. So if you have to do it, prep all these ingredients, then cook your prawns and then reserve your prawns. Now everything will fall in place once I'm mentioning everything. So here you can see in a mixing bowl, I'm just tearing apart all these lettuce leaves and I'm adding it to a mixing bowl. Because it's very nice and crunchy, you place this in the fridge. So it will be very nice and chilled once you serve it. And now I've added sliced onions to the lettuce leaves. We'll mix all the masala and we'll place it in the fridge. So that's why I'm showing this earlier. Now once I've added the sliced onions, I'll be adding the Kasundi sauce. We'll add some pepper and salt to the lettuce leaves and we will mix it nicely. I've also added a tiny amount of salad oil. If you've got olive oil, you can use olive oil, or if you can find good mustard oil, then you can heat that mustard oil, allow it to cool down. You can add mustard oil also to this. Now give the salad a good mix and place it in the fridge because it's very nice when it's chilled. It's nice and crunchy. So I'll place this in the fridge at the moment. And the pan is heated very well. So the pan is nice and hot. Now to the pan, I'll be placing the prawn skewers. I've added just 2 teaspoons of oil in my pan. I'll place the prawn skewers and I'll cover this and cook it for 2 minutes on each side. So after 2 minutes, I'll put it on high flame and I'll cook the prawns till the moisture from the prawns has completely evaporated. Till that time you have to cook it on high flame and all that masala should reduce well. So you should cook the prawns and remove it from the flame and allow it to cool down because we are going to be grilling this on the stove. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with a detailed blog post is listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed written recipe, so there is no confusion there. You can watch the You can watch the video and follow my blog. So it's very simple and easy. And for regular updates, you can definitely like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handlings will be in the description box below this video. Now once the prawns has completely cooked, I removed the prawns from the flame, allowed it to completely cool down, and there was extra masala in that pan from the prawns. So I'm not going to waste any of that. I've added the chopped red, yellow and green bell peppers, sliced green chilies. We'll add some salt and pepper. We'll just fry it on low to medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that, in that masala. So once it fries, we will reserve that. I've heated a grill on medium flame on my stove top. Once the grill has heated up well, I brush some oil on that so that the prawns do not stick on the grill. And then I place my prawn skewers on the grill. We'll be grilling these prawns for a minute on each side. So once it's grilled on one side, I'll just turn it and flip it to the other side and grill it to the other side. That's all. Once your prawns have grilled, remove it from the flame. Don't grill them too much, otherwise it gets rubbery and it won't taste very nice. So this itself, it's a little bit cooked well, so you have to remove it immediately, and we will start assembling the salad. So now I'll fry all the bell peppers for 2 minutes on medium flame. Once this prawn has cooked, I'll remove the grill from the flame and I'll just wipe my stove, place the stove back on medium flame. I'll place the pan on the stove and cook the bell peppers on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. So all the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with my detailed blog post will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the iCard above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. So you can see how easy it is also to clean your stove once you finish grilling your prawns. It's very simple. You just have to use a rag cloth and clean your stove. Then place the pan and cook your bell peppers for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I've removed the salad from the fridge and I placed it in a serving dish. I'll top the lettuce leaves with the fried capsicum first. Then I'll be layering my prawn skewers and serve this Kasundi prawns as hot as possible. It was so nice. The lettuce leaves is very nice and chilled, and the prawns is so very well cooked. It's so nice, and I didn't waste any of that masala. I've added all that masala to the salad because all the charred bits of that masala was so good in the salad. So do give this recipe a try, friends. All the links to my blog and social media, all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.